Alright guys, I'm getting some requests to hear the train horn and see the onboard air system in action. This is the Klein 734 kit. It's one of the first ones. It's not even actually, I think they're in production now, but you can't get it to the general public yet. And it's for the 2014, I believe, to 2017 Dodge Ram 2500s. I believe they already have the kit for the 15s, but here it is. I'll fire the truck up. And before we do the horn, I just want to show you the onboard air. And the cool thing about this Klein system is it actually comes with this pretty cool carry case. This is for my air hose, and it's gonna keep it right behind the seat, under the seat, and yeah, nice logo on there. But this is the hose it comes with. It's a 25-foot coiled hose. It's got fitting on this end, and the other end is gonna go to my quick connect that's directly off my tank. There she is. So if I'm ever in a situation where I need to get air, I have it right here on my truck. And there it goes. Generator or compressor just kicked on. But it is definitely filling my tire. And just like that, I have air. Now the part you've all been waiting for. Let's hear some train horn. It's really loud, guys. Here we go. And there you have it.